Data science jobs have ranked 1 in the US by GLASSDOOR for 3 years consecutively. The job opening by 2026 is expected to be around 11.5 million in data science. The next year, 2022, is predicted to be the year for data scientists and analysts, as it will become the #1 emerging role in the world. So, are you still wondering if switching to data science domain specialization is worth it? Well, give a break to your thinking and transform your thoughts into action. Let's understand why data science is so important in today's world and how domain specialization for working professionals mark a successful career transition. By the end of this video, you'll learn why have a career transition to data science, why domain specialization for working professionals, which domains need data science specialization, how Learnbay provides domain specialization. The business industry's supply expectations of customers, organizations' features are constantly growing at a rapid rate. There is an urgent need to achieve the right balance in these sectors. The demands must be met in real time by employing emerging technologies. Data science is the most innovative and advanced tool with problem-solving capacities. It is efficient, fast, and accurate. Companies are desperately looking for professionals with the specialized domain expertise to bring a revolutionary change into their organizations. Top professionals working in companies need to specialize in specific domains to contribute significantly. Now it is the right time to question why domain specialization is important for working professionals and how is it different from data science as a whole. Domain specialization refers to the possession of specific data science skills to solve our domain-specific problem. For example, a finance department would want to work with a data scientist with prior knowledge of financial data and its analysis. A healthcare data scientist would not be sufficient to fulfill the finance department job. Hence, in this scenario, domain specialization is the ultimate choice. Domain specialization transforms careers in the right direction for working professionals. They can still work in their areas of interest for data analytics roles. So instead of going for a generic data science course, aspiring professionals can opt for domain specialization electives. Learnbay data science courses provide specialization in the following domains. Marketing and sales. Most common domain where data science is extensively used is marketing and sales. By choosing this elective, a trainee learns to identify problems and formulate solutions. The ability to use various software for analysis and interpretation of results is developed. The capstone projects included in this elective are keyword generation for social media ads, customer segmentation, recommendation engines, sentiment analysis, product price suggestion, and more. Bank, financial services and insurance. This elective is confined to economical and financial aspects of banks and insurance. If you have already worked in the finance sector, specialization in this domain is a feather in the cap. It would help you in solving the problems by learning these capstone projects like fraud detection, customer segmentation, and recommendation engines. Manufacturing, mechanical, and telecom. This elective is based on manufacturing, mechanical, and telecommunication industry. The ML projects carried out in this course include revenue forecast in vehicle financing, modeling and valuation of leasing contracts, interactive analysis for used car warranties, anomaly detection, robust PCA plus univariate TS, IoT sensor failure detection. Media, hospitality, and transportation. This elective enables the learners to gain insight into social media platforms data, hotel data, and transportation data. The projects included are sentiment analysis, trending video on YouTube analysis, Facebook post analysis, recommendation system, price optimization, transportation route optimization, interactive dashboards, warehousing picking productivity. Oil, gas, and energy. Specifically designed for professionals working in the oil and gas industry. The capstone projects include recommendation system, price optimization, transportation route optimization, and more. Gives you hands-on experience while pursuing the course. Retail, e-commerce, and supply chain. The retail, e-commerce industry and supply chain have earned benefits from data science for the past 1 decade. Development and application of an immunization network design. Dynamics of supply chain sustainability. e-commerce business to business, distribution strategy and network design for nano stores, healthcare, pharma and clinical resources. The medical line should be the most accessible industry for data science evolution. Data science in clinical research can pave way for novel therapeutics and diagnosis. Some of the common applications include biomarker identification, projects based on disease biomarker prediction, drug response, clinical trial result analysis, drug sell, and demand prediction are the highlight of this elective. If you have worked prior or currently working in any of these areas, then the Learnbay Data Science Specialization courses are meant for you. How Learnbay provides domain specialization. Learnbay Data Science Institute is the single solution platform to learn data science for any domain. Data analytics and data science are extensively used in all industries these days. Learnbay effectively delivers the needs of every single working professional as per their requirements. The data science courses by Learnbay are customized to provide domain specializations to aspiring professionals wishing to switch their careers to data science. You can start your blissful career with Learnbay training with industrial expertise. The Data Science Certification course, Artificial Intelligence Certification course, and Data Science and AI for Managers and Leaders are some of the most popular courses. These training sessions are specific to domain you earlier worked in, whether you belong to the hospitality industry, transportation industry, or social media industry, or any other business domain. Learnbay is for all the working and non-working professionals. You can get certified as a data scientist, since our courses consist of more than 200 hours of classroom sessions in collaboration with IBM. More than 15 real-time industry projects are available. The Job Assistance Program helps in preparing you for industrial jobs. The courses are entirely case study driven. 24/7 technical support. So, give your career a speed booster with data science domain specialization courses. Switch your careers to data science from regular professional jobs and experience the phenomenal change in the career graph. So, enroll your domain specialization data science course with Learnbay and get professional experience to work in industries. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. For more such videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates and video notifications. Stay tuned with learnbay.co. Happy learning!